The way I approach hair when it comes to root touch-up, I'll begin about 3 centimeters or inch to inch and a half from the front hairline back. Usually the hair at the front is a little bit thinner and less denser, and the hair towards the back, starting at this area, is a little bit thicker and in most cases slightly darker. So when you use permanent color, it's a good reason to follow that rule of thumb. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply color and outline my sectioning. So pretty much all the way from the front temples to the front temple, as I said, about 3 centimeters back. And then my next one is going to be working in a brick lace sections all the way towards the back. For good tension, I have comb in my left hand and I have my brush of choice in my right hand. And again, applying color on both sides of each section. It took me some time over the years to decide on how thick those sections need to be. They should be just thick enough when you apply color on both sides to see that both colors blend. That ensures a good saturation and that you're gonna hit every single hair with your hair color. So good saturation is critical, and sections that are not too thin but neither too thick, it's another requirement. And you just go and work all the way to the back, left to right in the middle, left, right in the middle, until you hit the occipital bone. But this is my tip for you guys for today, where to begin and how to apply your root touch-up. I hope you enjoyed it.